Happy Thursday in the garage. The team is here to move stuff around. So we're gonna see how it goes. They might have to take off the door on this one to give it this much more room because it's gonna be a tight squeeze getting the stuff out of the door. But it all went in there, so it all has to come out, right? Right. I'll turn you around. We lost the guys. My cousin Bart rode his motorcycle up here. And there's one of our work trucks with a toilet. That's the one we bought out in Seattle? I think that's one came from Seattle. I don't know.
Change the way they do things.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a built-in washer or something.
Here's... Somehow Ronnie's ended up on the ground and Bart's butt's in my face. That's how it happened.
I'm not farting.
You are lucky. They had to take the doors off to get it into the house because it was a little too wide. Here's our new refrigerator out here to put beverages in. Got a freezer. Ta-da! And we got the fridge.
No, they bitches are dead.
We gotta plug it in about an hour. I had them turn that sideways, so now I can get into the freezer. All you gotta do is go like this, and I can open it like this and say, "Oh, that's what we have in the freezer." This is the first time I've opened. What the hell is this? This is the first time I've been in this freezer in forever. Dilly dip. Didn't even know we had that. So we got this stuff to go through that was in the fridge. So, at least another step is out there. Hi, Ronnie. There's Bart.
You can get the thicker.
They're talking tools.
That comes with the thin ones.
Yeah, I like those though.
Yeah.
Have you seen the ones where they actually hook
I was
up to
so
the table
far
saws
in.
and all that shit?
I was so far in.
We're getting loaded up to go to the animal control to take those boxes of blankets and stuff, and I got some cat treats and some dog treats, so that's what we're doing now. I might go in and look at some critters. Let's go. I'm in barking territory. Hi there. Who are you? Hi. Hi there. Going to the other side. It's loud in here, I know. Whoops, I gotta go around. Oh, you knocked your food over. Yes, you did. Hi there. Got your nose. I got your nose. Irma, what's your problem? Hi, Irma. Hi there. This little boy's 10. Hi there. He doesn't have a name. Hi, old boy. Hi there. Toby. Hi, Toby. I know another Toby. Yeah. Hi, guys. Now we're in the little compartment. Hi there. Who are you? No name. Hi. Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Yeah. Here's a Doxy mix. A Doxy and a lab. Hi, girl. Hi. Sugar baby. Oh. Man. Stray. You're a stray. Hi. Oh, hi to you too. Hi there. Are you excited? Here, come here. Let me pet you. Oh, yeah. Give me kisses. Hi there. Hi. Who are you? You're not ready for adoption yet, but soon. Tomorrow. Hi, Chloe. Hi there. Who are you? Hi there. How are you? Some of the little ones are kind of mean. Hi. Okay. We're in the kitty room now. This is Princess and Lancelot. This is Leo. Oh, you're pretty. Look at your little face. Look at your little face. Hi there. What are the babies?
Good old cat.
Good old cat? Hi, they're all good old cats. They got nice little comfy beds. Look at this one. Let's go see which one my dad is. Hi there. You don't have an ear.
Here, see, look, he's a loving cat. Oh, loving cat there.
0. I think it's a girl.
Loving cat.
Hi there. This looks like Scruffy. This is what one of my cats looked like I had.
Yeah.
This is Raina. Hi up there. Hi Smudge. Who's down here? Big cat. Harry and Smokey. Hi. Hi there. Ooh, ooh. This is Batman and Robin in here. Hello there. Are you Batman or Robin? Oh, what do you want? Oh, you're trying to get my attention, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're getting me? Are you getting me, huh? Are you now? Hi there. Okay, I gotta pet cats now. Look at the teeny tiny. Hi. Hi. Look at my finger compared to this cat. They're so little. So little. You're a little bigger. You're a bigger kitty. And I got one down here getting my pant legs. You're just so cute. You're just so flippin' cute. Oh, okay, let go of my pants. Let go of my pants.
Penny is 4 years old. Oh, Penny, you're a little older than what I need in life.
We're home. Having goulash.
Leftovers.
This is what we had earlier for lunch. This is our goulash. One day we'll do a video of it, but today is not the day. He likes to put hot sauce on his. Hot sauce.
Oh, it makes
Got
it
some
good.
pickled beets, goulash.
That makes it so good.
I'll pass. I'm just going to put Parmesan on it. Okay, there it is. Hey, kitty. Kitty. I cheated on you a little while ago. I touched many kitty noses. Hey, hi. You don't care, do ya? As long as I don't bring one home. Yes. You comfy? Oh, comfortable? Closer? Closer? Okay. I'm gonna go turn my fan on and sit right over there. Hello. Clean the sleepy out of my eyes even though I've been up all day and took a shower. I don't know where it comes from. Where does it all come from? Okay. I want to say goodbye to you all. Have a good Thursday. Any good plans for the weekend coming up? Yeah. She's still passed out. So goodbye.